make a boring mashed potato into tasty and Chinese way. Yeah, this will look like volcano just explode in your eyes and in your mouth. If you like this, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. More Chinese food are coming your way. Boil the potatoes first, and we need to dice them, slice them in big chunks, slice them like that. Then we chop these in three, like that. Then we dice them in even pieces, like that, into this little cubes. Put your diced potatoes in the pot. Right here. Has to be cold water to start boiling your cubed potatoes because this creates a much better texture in a mashed potato just right over your diced potato. Or season your water with some salt. Let it boil, then turn it down, shimmer to 7 to 8 minutes. You don't want to use high heat to boil the potato the whole time. So outside is cooked, but the inside, not much. So the shimmer down, cook evenly in the pot. Now we chop some chili peppers. Also, prepare some garlic. Let's check the potatoes. Really hot. Yeah. It's ready. Now we drain the potatoes. One extra step will make your mashed potatoes so fluffy. We bring the cubes back into the pot and just season again. Very low heat. Just steam a little bit more. Will really make your mashed potato fluffy, just like a cloud. Kind of like in the dryer, you dry the water a little bit more. Oh, it's getting dry. Okay, we turn off the heat. We can use this, a traditional masher, or have a fancy ricer. Both are good. Oh, back in China, I just use a spoon. Now we press this. This is some exercise. And then the steam. You got some free facial time. Doing it while it's hot, yeah. Okay. So now we make a little mountain in the center of this plate. So this will be really easy to shape. It's a little bigger. Top. Now we're making the lava, the sauce for the mashed potato. Mutton, garlic, those are my pickled chili peppers. You can use the fresh, like a Thai chili too. You get these fragrance out. And Sichuan douban. It's a Sichuan chili bean paste. Chili broth bean paste. You can see the color. Some water. Bean starch or cornstarch and thicken the sauce. You can see the sauce is getting thicker. Great for your mutton. Now, this part, we will pour this over the potato. Volcano out. How about let's taste this volcano? Spiciness. I taste the garlic. It's just melting in my mouth. I can't stop eating. Sorry guys, I'm gonna finish this probably. Texture is crazy and the flavor. So good. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I have more spicy Sichuan food coming your way. Turn on the notification bell and you'll get notifications. Bye, 再见. See you next time.